very good afternoon to one and all present here. So today, here I am, Senior Under Officer Dhanvi Pandya from 5 Raj Girls Battalion, NCC Headquarters, Udaipur, Rajasthan Directorate. Regimental RAJ SW 18 701 684 with my co-presenters UO Yashika Mandawat, Sergeant Hina Vaishnav, Cadet Komal Rathod and Cadet Nikita Chaudhary. We are here to explaining about role of education and skill development initiative. It is possible to fly without motors but not without knowledge and skill. आत्मनिर्भर भारत। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कहा है कि आत्मनिर्भर आधुनिक नए और समृद्ध भारत के निर्माण में शिक्षा की अहम भूमिका है और नई शिक्षा नीति से नया आत्मविश्वास पैदा होगा। उन्होंने कहा कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत के निर्माण में, नए भारत के निर्माण में, समृद्ध और खुशहाल भारत के निर्माण में देश की शिक्षा व्यवस्था का बहुत बड़ा महत्व है। उन्होंने कहा कि इसी सोच के साथ देश को एक नई राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति मिली है। इस नई शिक्षा नीति से देश को एक नया आत्मविश्वास और एक नई ऊर्जा मिलेगी। आत्मनिर्भर भारत। Firstly, online education can help reduce inequality in the quality of faculty and education available to students across different schools and colleges in India. Secondly, access to online classes and digital media will provide room to students to develop self-motivation and become independent. Thirdly, online teaching will save the time to travel as well as the negative sides of gossip and bullying from peers, both for students and faculty, a phenomenon which is so common these days, unfortunately. Here is now Yashika Mandawat explaining about Skill Development Program.
Jai Hind to all, as the topic is Role of Education and Skill Development Initiatives. शिक्षा और कौशल विकास की पहल भूमिका. So, what is Skill Development Program? कौशल विकास कार्यक्रम क्या है? Skill development is the process of identifying your skill gaps and developing and owning these skills. It is important because your skills determine your ability to execute your plans with success. कौशल विकास आपके कौशल अंतराल की पहचान करने की प्रक्रिया है तथा इस कौशल को विकसित करना और सम्मानित करना है। यह महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि आपका कौशल आपकी योजनाओं को सफलता के साथ निष्पादित करने की आपकी क्षमता को निर्धारित करता है। What is skill development in education? शिक्षा में कौशल विकास क्या है? What is life skill education? Activities like critical thinking, creative art and craft work, decision making, problem solving, an ability to collaborate and communicate along with a sense of responsibility towards personal as well as society at large to contribute good citizenship comes under life skill. शिक्षा में कौशल विकास क्या है? जीवन कौशल शिक्षा क्या है? महत्वपूर्ण व गंभीर सोच, रचनात्मक कला और शिल्प कार्य, निर्णय जैसी गतिविधियां समस्या को हल करने में मदद करती है और व्यक्तिगत नागरिक के साथ साथ समाज के लिए जिम्मेदारी की भावना के साथ सहयोग और संवाद करने की क्षमता का विकास करती है ताकि जीवन में कौशल का विकास हो सके। Now, Cadet Nikita Chaudhary will tell you about the benefits of the role of education and skill development initiatives.
Jai Hind everyone. I am going to explain you about the benefits of skill development. The skills level of your workforce has a direct and measurable impact on the efficiency and profitability of your organization. The key advantages of essential skills training are it helps to increase profits, it improves performances, it improves accuracy and quality of the work of the organization. It helps to improve communication skills, retain staff. It helps to develop good customer relations. It also helps to improve morale, motivation and job satisfaction. Here is now Sergeant Hina Vaishnav explaining about the role of educational institutions.
Jai Hind everyone. I am going to explain you about the role of educational institutions. In today's world, most countries have emphasized the development of human capital as an instrument for economic growth, sustainable development, and improved global competitiveness. Also, nations with high skill capital tends to be prosperous from the perspectives of both GDP and per capita income. For India, skill development is critical for both economic growth and social development. Human capital can be developed by enhancing the skill sets of its citizens. Here is now Cadet Komal Rathod explaining about the meaning and focus of skill development.
Jai Hind everyone. I am going to explain you about meaning and focus of skill development. The objective of skill development is to create a workforce empowered with the necessary and continuously upgraded skills, knowledge, and internationally recognized qualification to gain access to decent employment and ensure India's competitiveness in the dynamic global market. It aims at increasing the productivity and employability of workforce both in the organized and the unorganized sector. It seeks increased participation of youth, women, disabled, and the other disadvantaged section, and to synergize effort of various sectors and reform the present system with the enhanced capability to adapt to changing technologies and labor market demand. According to the International Labour Organization, skill development is of key importance in stimulating sustainable development process and can make a contribution in facilitating the transition from an informal to formal economy. It is also essential to address the opportunities and challenges to meet new demand and changing economies and new technologies in the context of globalization. Skill development can help build a various circle in which the quality and relevance of education and training of women and men fuel the innovation, investment, technological change, enterprise development, economic diversification, and competitiveness that economy need to accelerate the creation for more jobs. Here's now Senior Under Officer Dhanvi Pandya explaining about National Education Policy 2020. National Educational Policy 2020, making Indian youth skill to achieve Atmanirbhar Bharat. The day is not far when the Indian youth will not be a job seeker but a potential job giver. Through the set of vocational, employable and entrepreneurial skills imparted to them at different stages of education and training. The Government of India is bringing a series of reforms in almost all sectors to usher in constructive changes and this pave the way for building a strong and progressive nation. Education being one such sector has been remarkable developments in the past few years. A true testimony to this is the National Education Policy 2020, which was released by Honorable Educational Minister Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on July 29, 2020, emphasizing on the various characteristics features of the NEP. This vision document left no stone unturned when it comes to coverage of the educational and allied issues. Suggestions: linking CSR to Skill India movement to attractive investment from private sector for sector-specific skilling and creating an attractive policy so that educational institutions can tie up directly with industry partners for skilling in relevant sectors in association with respective sector skill councils. B. Funding support and incentives for such educational institutions which are desirous of starting such courses and training programs, and also recognition in the form of incentives for institutions which already have such programs running successfully. Thank you so much for listening us. A presentation by Senior Under Officer Dhanvi Pandya, Under Officer Yashika Mandawat, Sergeant Hina Vaishnav, Cadet Komal Rathod and Nikita Chaudhary. Thank you so much.